So the power aware multi access protocol with signaling, यानी कि PAMAS. What is the full form of this? Power aware multi access protocol with signaling avoids overhearing among neighboring nodes by using a separate signaling channel. ठीक है, तो ये आप इन्होंने क्या कहा कि भाई ये हमारे रीजंस थे जिनकी वजह से हमारी एनर्जी वेस्ट हो रही थी, तो हमने फिर नए नए आपके जो प्रोटोकॉल्स लेकर आए, लाइक PAMAS हो गया, पावर अवेयर मल्टीपल एक्सेस प्रोटोकॉल हो गया, ठीक है. सो इट विल अवॉइड व्हाट, ओवर हियरिंग among the neighboring nodes. The protocol combines the use of a busy tone with RTS and CTS. What are the RTS and the CTS? The request to send and clear to send packets to allow nodes currently not actively transmitting or receiving packets to turn off their radio transceiver. ठीक है. So the protocol does not, however, provides mechanisms to reduce energy waste and caused by the ideal listening.